Hey Steve, so when you're in Moodle, if you want to make an 080 folder available to students, you want to click into that. You want to make sure that you turn editing on. So you're going to click on this pinwheel, and if it says turn editing on, just click right there and make sure. And then you should see these edit buttons along here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to click right here to edit. Go to restrict access, and you're going to want to change this date from the 29th to whatever date you want. Now I'm going to tell you the way I have the Moodle site set up is it opens every Thursday. Week 2 I technically have stretching into the following week. So when you take a look at a calendar, so we started classes on the 14th. I have week 1 being these 2 full weeks because depending on when your class met, you may only have 1 class period in a lab. So you might want to just wait and push into the week 2 notes. It's up to you, but this is going to be how you change it if you do want to open it up for students. And you can do that for the following weeks too if you'd like to make that adjustment.